We've got just over 6 minutes to find out.
And interestingly, Green goes back in the game.
James drives down, stops, picks it back up. Jefferson the jumper.
Sablay.
He's 2 assists shy of a triple
Sablay.
double. Curry with Jefferson.
Kari, ang ganda ng bola.
Drives.
Kari, tumira. Follow by Draymond Green. Nice, mga idol. LeBron James, mga idol. LeBron James to... may pasabit.
And it appeared he was beyond the arc. Monty McCutcheon checking with his fellow official to make sure. Good offense by Steph Curry, getting into the team, forcing the help. And Draymond Green crashing the offensive board from the weak side. This is a good basketball. Green has been spectacular all night long, outworking guys on the floor. So they will check to make sure. Go to the replay.
At 3 today.
It's the first free throw, and it's back to 3.
You always have to convince your bigs not to leave their feet when they're contesting out here beyond the 3. Just put a hand up. Don't bite.
Ayan, kita yung kasabit. LeBron.
Let's see if you do it again.
Yung
Now
lang.
6 of 7 from the free throw line. He has done some extraordinary things in his career. What a victory tonight.
Ang galing kasi ka dyan.
Bringing a title back to Cleveland.
Miss yung mama?
Miss yung mama yan.
Just under 5 minutes to play. And he hits all 3.
Yan, miss yun.
Cavaliers talking about how they're going to defend that pick and roll with Steph Curry, and the message comes they want to switch to pick and roll. Curry throws it away, and Eric pass. Turnover, Golden State. This is bad.
Ganda ng laban, mga idol.
And he knows it. A bad decision.
87-86.
Especially closing out game. And that's his 4th turnover.
Ganda sana ng paso. Medyo malayo lang, mga idol.
The Marines has completely slowed down. See the big pick and roll again, and they switch again. Good job by Draymond Green getting back. 5 to shoot.
LeBron.
Back up on him. James steps back for Gray.
Tumira si LeBron. Pasok, ang kanyang tres, mga idol. Si LeBron ba yun?
Thompson gets away from Smith. Drives left-handed off the glass.
Oh, next naman. All na ay mga idol. Napakaganda ng laban na ito.
Sure for Azili. And Love coming back in as well.
There's no knock to Azili. He's just bad game planning as far as putting him on the body of LeBron James. It's easy offense when you're allowing him to attack. Once again, Azili. James this time goes at him, pulls back, 2-point shot.
Tumira ulit si LeBron. Kaso lang,
His 12th.
hindi pumasok, mga idol. Si Draymond Green.
Downtown, off the mark.
Stephen Curry. Oh, sablay.
Like we're used to seeing, that's great offense, a great screen, him wide open. We're used to seeing that.
Ito, idol, mga nakakabang laban. Mga gantong
Back up to James.
tabla lang. Tapos,
7 to shoot.
ano na, 4th quarter na.
James backing up against Curry. 1 on the shot clock. Way off the mark.
Oh, tumira si LeBron. Sablay.
Second violation, ball knocked out of bounds. And it's going to be Golden State ball.
Golden State ball.
Harrison Barnes is going to come in for Azili. We've had 20 lead changes and 11 ties. And the reason why that doesn't hurt you defensively because Green is defending Tristan Thompson. So when the pick and roll comes, is Green switching with Iguodala. And it makes you better offensively also with Barnes on the floor. Game 7 is tied with 3.5 to go here in the 4th.
Stephen Curry. Ay, Klay Thompson. Draymond. Klay Thompson. Tumira si Klay. Sablay, mga idol.
Again, I think Cleveland would be better served to get into whatever they're getting into quicker.
Now we're going to see J.R. Smith probably set the screen, get Curry in the action. Curry now picks him up. 5 to shoot. James Powers drives down the lane.
Natake ni Lebron. Oh, sablay.
Draymond Green kicks it out. Iguodala for three. Rebound James.
Iguodala.
By Curry. That's going to be 4 fouls on Curry. Third team.
Nahirapan sila magka-score mga idol.
Timeout.
Dikdikan ng laban. Talaga mga laban mga idol.
James holding. Throws it in the lob. Guarded by Barnes. Throw the little jump.
Kevin Love.
Short.
Short.
14 rebounds for Draymond Green to go with 32 points. Curry finds Iguodala. Drives, kicks it out. Barnes.
Iguodala. Ano ba yun? Green. Bang. Oh, wala.
With 2:11 remaining.
That's great
Yung
rotation.
sablay mga idol. Last 2 minutes.
Closes to the opposite
Last
corner.
2 minutes.
Pulls the trigger on the Green.
Magandang laban to mga idol.
Terrific defense and very
Kahit
good
matagal na to ay napakaganda pa rin panoorin.
Cavs caught in the last possession with Love. Taking a tough shot. If I'm Kyrie Irving or LeBron James, the offense is running.
White TV.
Irving drives, top step inside, pulls it up. Rebound by Iguodala.
Wala na. Ang yellow. Bigay kita ang i-open. Block. Grabing pagka-block yun mga idol.
Block of the game as we come up on a minute and a half remaining.
Inaabol talagang maigi ni Lebron.
4 to shoot. James inside, little jump hook, that's short. Rebound, catch.
Short. Pero ni Lebron.
Curry drives on Irving, pulls back for three. Doesn't even hit the rim as Irving comes in.
Mga idol ng oras. Hindi sila naka-score.
Wants a timeout. Each team has
Talagang mga laban.
as we come up on a minute remaining. And they're putting Curry in the pick and roll, trying to get him on Irving.
Last 1 minute.
Irving and Curry, one-on-one. Irving puts it up. It's good.
Kyrie Irving. Bang!
Cavaliers by 3.
And I like the no timeout call by Steve Kerr.
Love picks up.
Lamang sila ng tatlo mga idol. Stephen Curry, gumagawa ng paraan, no?
Nicely. Found the Green.
Stephen Curry. To Draymond. Draymond to Stephen Curry.
Crossover. Puts up a 3.
Oh, galing ni Stephen Curry.
James.
Ay, hindi nga lang sumit mga idol.
Spectacular job by Love. Irving on the drive. Goes inside. Lost it. Gets it back and finds Love. There's a 7-second difference between shot clock and game clock. And they had a foul to give. So
19 seconds na lang mga idol. Mukhang tagili dito ang Golden State Warriors.
Cavaliers have one timeout left. They go in the backcourt in the last 2 minutes together. They've got a
Ito talaga ay mga idol ng dikdikang laban.
drive to James. Misses the James.
To Lebron. Yun lang. Foul. Na-foul si Lebron.
Stays a
Tumbong, ah.
game. So Mike, as a player, there's no pressure right now. You're up 3. Worst case scenario, you got to give them one free throw. That should be the mindset. I missed it. You got to step up and knock this free throw down if you're LeBron James.
Eh,
Warriors will no doubt call timeout. Miss or make here from James. Rattles in the second. 4-point game.
pumasok yung pangalawang free throw ni idol.
Curry runs off. Iguodala looking. Thompson catches. Thompson a couple of dribbles. Head fake. Tied up. Throws it in to Green on a foul on the entry pass. That's the foul to give. Iguodala to inbound.
6.5 seconds mga idol.
Trying to stay with Curry. Catches. One dribble. Steps back. Puts up a 3. Won't go. Rebound tip taken by Steve.
Hindi sumiyot ang tira ni Stephen Curry. Iguodala. Nako, it's over mga idol.
Once again.
Panalo ang Cleveland Cavaliers. Sobrang saya ng mga Cavaliers fans dyan, no? 3-1